Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the latest from Samsung, you know they just dropped the Galaxy S25 series. But now, it looks like they're shifting focus to their mid-range lineup, with the Galaxy A56 and A36 expected to launch soon. Today, we're going to answer some key questions about these devices and dive into everything we know so far. Let's get into it. What's the timeline for the Galaxy A56 and A36 release? Great question. Based on leaks and information from Tipster Abhishek Yadav, it looks like the Galaxy A56 and A36 will be launching around mid-March 2025. This follows a similar pattern to last year when the Galaxy A55 and A35 were launched in March in India. So, it's safe to assume that we'll be seeing these phones worldwide around that same time. That March timeframe makes sense, considering Samsung usually drops their mid-range series models around that period, especially in markets like India. We can expect the official details to start coming out in the next few weeks as we get closer to the release date. Have the Galaxy A56 and A36 appeared anywhere online? Yes, actually, the Galaxy A36 5 grams has already appeared on Samsung's official support website. The listing confirms its model number and includes details like dual SIM support. It's a sign that Samsung is prepping for the phone's launch. While we don't have full render images or detailed specifications yet, this listing gives us a pretty good idea that the device is almost ready. On top of that, the Galaxy A56 has also shown up on Samsung's French website, which is another clear indication that Samsung is gearing up for its release. The A56's support page reveals its model number, and like the A36, it also mentions dual SIM support. What can we expect in terms of features for the A56 and A36? Well, both devices are expected to have 5 grams connectivity, which is becoming standard in more mid-range phones. As for the rest of the specs, we're expecting them to share a lot of premium features from Samsung's flagship devices, particularly when it comes to camera and performance. One of the biggest things to look out for is the inclusion of Galaxy AI capabilities. This could mean enhanced camera features, smarter performance, and possibly even more customization options for the user interface. We're talking about a premium experience at a more affordable price. And, of course, Samsung will keep their signature design, which is sleek and modern, but with a price point that's friendly to your wallet. How will the A56 and A36 differ in terms of pricing? Good question. Based on the trend from previous years, the Galaxy A36 will likely be the more affordable option, while the A56 will come in at a slightly higher price point. Both devices should offer solid performance, but if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the A36 might be your best bet. We're talking about solid value here. You get flagship-level features like AI-enhanced camera capabilities and performance without breaking the bank. That's the core appeal of Samsung's A series. Are there any other exciting offers or deals from Samsung right now? Absolutely! If you're planning on upgrading to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the pre-order deals from Samsung this year are pretty amazing. You can get up to $350 in Samsung credit, which you can use for things like free storage upgrades or accessories like the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And if you've got a trade-in, the trade-in values are higher than they were last year. So if you're eyeing the S25 Ultra, make sure to check out those exclusive offers. We've got links in the description for you to grab those deals. What makes the Galaxy A56 and A36 worth waiting for? Great question. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with premium features, the A56 and A36 are definitely worth considering. You're getting the latest tech, including 5G and AI-powered features, but without the flagship price tag. Plus, with Samsung's focus on delivering a premium experience in the mid-range segment, these phones should deliver solid performance and excellent value. So whether you're upgrading your old phone or just want something that performs well in everyday tasks, the A56 and A36 will be great options. So, there you have it. The Galaxy A56 and A36 are shaping up to be fantastic mid-range devices, and with their upcoming release, we'll be hearing more in the coming weeks. What do you think? Are you excited for these phones? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!